पग प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं, पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है। बावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें गौर कितनों पे करना। आज लोगों की बारी जो कहें कह लेने दे, तेरा भी दिन आएगा उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना। प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। दिखाने का मौका जब भी किस्मत देती है, गिन के तैयारी के दिन तुझको मोहलत देती है। मांगती है लागत में तुझसे हर बूंद पसीना, पर मुनाफा बदले में ये जान ले बेहद देती है। प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल 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 दंगल। ओ चक लैण दे, हाँ चक लैण दे, ओ चक लैण दे, सूरज को तक लैण दे, ओ तक लैण दे, आज पट्टे चक लैण दे, ओ चक लैण दे।
Welcome to all the participants. Thank you so much for joining the workshop. Thank you so much for joining the workshop. Now let's start the workshop in another 1 minute. Before starting the workshop, I want to know a little bit about your side. Can you just let me know what is your current qualification? Just type in the chat box, what is your education right now? What are you doing? Whether you're a first year, second year, third year, final year, civil, architecture or interior. So just mention what is your current qualification. Come on, go ahead. Let me tell you, we have a 2 hours of workshop and this is 2 hours is a fully participation workshop. I need your full of participation throughout the workshop. So keep yourself in a silent place so that nobody will disturb you in these 2 hours. I do have a pen and paper with you so that if you feel something is very, very important, you can take a note on that. And also join the workshop by using your laptop or a desktop for a better understanding. If you don't have a laptop or a desktop, you can also join by using your Android mobile. But my suggestion is to go with your laptop or a desktop for a better understanding. Okay, thank you once again for you letting me know what is your qualification. Now I want to know, where are you from? Where are you joining this workshop? From where are you joining? Are you from Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Ludhiana, Bengaluru, Chennai, Coimbatore, Indore, Bhopal? Come on, just type where are you from? Okay, we have a participants from across India. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Navi Mumbai, okay. Hyderabad, Sangli, Mumbai, Goa. Wow, thank you all the participants for lovely participation. Now let me tell you, in today's workshop, we will be learning how to create a plan of a building in a very less time by using the shortcut keys and by using 5,000 drawings. Today, I will also going to discuss with you a PPT presentation on 4 most important steps in the design process. And I will also going to give you the certificate, PDFs and some pre-recorded videos. But you will going to get the certificate during the live workshop only. So it is very important to be there in the live workshop to get the certificate. Okay, so only the participants, those who participate complete workshop will going to get the certificate, and that will be given by me in the live workshop only. So if you're leaving the workshop in the middle, then you are responsible. Okay, and during the workshop, if you have any doubt, please write it down on your paper. By the end of the workshop, we will going to have a doubt session. Okay, so during the workshop, if you have any doubts, make a list of all the doubts that you have. By the end of the workshop, we will going to discuss about the doubts. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Now let's go ahead. Let me introduce little bit about myself. And this is me, Anjaneya Puli. I'm a CAD trainer from last 13 years. I'm invited as a guest of honor for various engineering colleges across India. I have trained more than 80,000 students. More than 50 plus engineering colleges have done MOU with us for our online training. We are providing online training to the students across India. We are also helping the students to get an internationally recognized certificate after completion of the full course and also with the software. Okay, today I will also going to discuss with you what are the most important softwares and how you can learn if you want to learn from my website by the end of the workshop. What is the fees and everything. Okay, thank you. Thank you once again for joining the workshop. Now, let me go ahead. Let me show you some of the colleges. Can you see Annamacharya Institute from Tirupati, Guru Govind Tribal University from Rajasthan, St. Joseph University, Nagaland, Sri Venkateshwara College, Chennai, University College, Rajasthan, Technocraft Group of Institutions, Bhopal, and then Junjunwala PG College, Ayodhya, Rajiv Gandhi Tribal IT, Andhra Pradesh, and Dattameke Engineering College, Navi Mumbai, AP Shah Institute of Technology, Thane, JNTA College of Engineering, Anantapur, Atsa College from Sangli, Government College, Bihar, Madhupur Polytechnic, Jharkhand, Acharya College, Puducherry, Government College, Munger, JJ Mukdam College, Kolhapur, Patel Group of Institutions, Indore, Kamala Institute of Technology, Karimnagar, YSR College, Podduturu. These are the colleges they have invited me to take the workshop in their college. And right now we are training their college students through online. And all these, many of the colleges, they have done MOU with us to train the students online. So this is all about me. But today I'm here with you to share something new, awesome, mind-blowing tools in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's go ahead. And my trainings are also got published in the newspaper Sakshi, Enadu, and as well as Andhra Jyoti. So that's it about me. Now let's recap once again what we are learning today. We are learning how to create a plan by using the shortcut keys by using 5,000 drawings. And we will be discussing a PPT presentation on 4 most important steps in the construction process. Certificate will be given during the live workshop only. Is this clear to everyone? Just type yes if this is clear to you. Just type in the chat box yes if this is clear to you. Come on. The certificate will be given during the live workshop only. And throughout the workshop, I will be discussing in English. The entire workshop will go with a basic English. But sometimes I will be translating in Hindi. So those who don't know Hindi, you don't need to worry. Whatever I have spoken in English, the same thing I will be repeating in Hindi. Okay? But throughout the workshop, very basic English, I will continue. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now let me open the user interface of AutoCAD. By the way, how many of you already know AutoCAD? If you know something or complete AutoCAD, just type I know or IK. If you don't know anything about AutoCAD, then just type don't know or DK. कितने लोगों को AutoCAD पहले से आता है? अगर आपको AutoCAD आता है तो आप I know और IK टाइप कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको AutoCAD नहीं आता है तो DK और don't know टाइप कर सकते हैं। Come on. Okay, okay. Some of you know and some of you don't know. Okay, some of you know, some of you don't know. Let me tell you, this workshop is for both of you. Even if you know complete AutoCAD or if you don't know anything about AutoCAD, today workshop is for both of you. Let me tell you why. Because something awesome tools that I will going to discuss today. Okay, so this is the plan that I will going to teach you how to create a plan in a very less time. I will teach you how to create a wall, door, and also I will going to teach you how to place the furniture. Not only that, I will going to give you more than 5,000 furniture. More than 5,000 furniture, trees, vehicles, everything I will going to give you so that you can use in your project. ओके ये सारे डायग्राम्स मैं आपको देने वाला हूं ताकि आप ये सारे डायग्राम अपना प्रोजेक्ट में यूज कर सके आई विल आल्सो गोइंग टू टीच यू सम ऑफ द टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स and by using that techniques you can change the elevation of the tree. Can you see? You can change the elevation of the tree by using that techniques. So everything I will going to give you. So today workshop is like a mind blowing workshop for all of you, but I need your full of participation throughout the workshop. Okay, so let's go ahead once again. And before starting this project, before starting the plan, I want to discuss with you some of the very basic things in AutoCAD. Is that okay for you? Can I discuss with you some of the very basic things in AutoCAD for 5 to 10 minutes? Is that okay? Yes? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead and let me discuss some of the very basic things. And throughout the workshop, I will be also asking you some of the questions. Okay. I will asking you some of the questions which are very important as per the interview point of view. If you can able to answer, please go ahead. Okay. Now let me start the workshop straight away asking you a very important question, that is, what is the default file name of AutoCAD? Any answer from your side? What is the default file name of AutoCAD? A very important question asked in the interview. What is the default file name of AutoCAD? What is the default file name of AutoCAD? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Some of you are typing .dwg, dwg. Okay. Thank you so much for your participation, by the way. And those you don't know the answer, you can type DK, don't know, but I want your participation. I want your participation throughout the workshop. Okay, don't sit in the audience position, come to the ground and play the match. So 2 hours of workshop, so I need you to play fully. Now let me reveal the right answer. And the right answer is drawing. Drawing is the default file name of AutoCAD. So let me open a new file. Whenever I open a new file, it opens with the name of drawing. Can you see here? It opens with the name of drawing. Just give me a second. Let me open a new file. Whenever we open a new file, it opens with the name of drawing. And here you can see drawing number 1, drawing number 2, drawing number 3, etc. Drawing is the default file name of AutoCAD and .dwg is the default file extension of AutoCAD. Is that clear, everyone? Drawing is the default file name and .dwg is the default file extension of AutoCAD. Is that clear, everyone? Just type yes if it is clear to you. Drawing is the default file name and .dwg is the default file extension. Both are different. So don't confuse with these 2 question and answers. Yes, is that clear? Thank you. Now let me draw the line here. Let me take the line command and then let me draw the line. You know from where I am taking the line command? From here. And this is called the ribbon. Under this ribbon, there are various types of tabs are available. And from the drawing tab, I'm selecting the circle and I'm creating the circle here. In the same way, I'm selecting the rectangle and I'm creating a rectangle here. You know what I'm doing? I'm selecting the commands from the ribbon and I'm creating the diagram. But most of the working professionals, they don't use this ribbon to call the commands. If they don't use this ribbon to call the commands, then what is the other way to call the commands? Any answer? what is the other way to call the commands if they don't use this ribbon to call the commands? अगर ये रिबन यूज करके कमांड्स को कॉल नहीं करना है, दूसरा ऐसा कौन सा तरीका है ताकि मैं कमांड को कॉल कर सकूं? What is the other way to call the commands? Any answer? Come on, go ahead. What is the other way to call the commands? What is the other way to call the commands? Okay, shortcut keys or the typing the command. Okay, thank you for your participation. Shortcut keys or the typing the commands. Okay, keyboard entry. Your answers are correct. We use the shortcut keys to call the commands instead of this ribbon. But why? What is the reason behind using the shortcut keys? Why most of the working professionals use the shortcut keys? Any answer? शॉर्टकट कीज यूज करते हैं, ये तो सही आंसर है, बट क्यों यूज करते हैं? शॉर्टकट कीज यूज करने का पर्पस क्या है? Any answer? Okay, it will save the time. Okay, faster drawing. We can create a diagram in a very less time saving. Okay, working fast. Wow, thank you for lovely participation. And all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. But let me tell you, there is one more reason. One reason that you have told that we can use the shortcut keys to draw the diagram very quickly. But there is one more reason. You know, if you know the shortcut keys, then you can work with any version of AutoCAD. Yes or no? Either it may be older version or it may be latest version. If you know the shortcut keys, you no need to worry with the version of AutoCAD. In any version, you can create a diagram if you know the shortcut keys. Yes or no? That is the second most important reason. Thank you for such a lovely comments in the chat box. Yes, many of you agree that by knowing the shortcut keys, you can work with any version of AutoCAD. So that is the second most important purpose of learning the shortcut keys. One, to save the time. Second one, to work with any version of AutoCAD. So today I want to help you to work with any version of AutoCAD by using a commonly used shortcut keys in AutoCAD today. So throughout the workshop, I will be using the shortcut keys. So I want you to keep your pen and paper ready to note down what are the shortcut keys that we are learning today. Okay, so I don't want to use the ribbon, so I want to close the ribbon. How to close the ribbon? Go to the middle top and then click here for 3 times to minimize this panel. Can you see here? Minimize to panel buttons. Just click here for 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Can you see? Once again, click on the same button to maximize the ribbon. So by using this button, I can minimize and as well as I can maximize the ribbon. Is that clear? And in the older version of AutoCAD, there was a menu bar. Hello, in the older version, there was a menu bar. If you want to bring the menu bar, you can bring the menu bar from here. From the quick access toolbar, here you can see the menu bar. Click on show menu bar option and here you can see the menu bar on the top. So these menus are also used to draw the diagram. It was there by default in the older version, but in the latest versions of AutoCAD, it is not available. But if you are comfortable with this menu bar, you can call the menu bar from the quick access toolbar, or you can hide the menu bar from here. Okay, so let's go ahead now. And before starting the project, I want to ask you one more question. You know, this is called the line, circle, and rectangle. Yes or no? Whatever we draw in AutoCAD, every drawing has their own name. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, thank you. Now, even though every drawing has their own name, all the drawings in AutoCAD are called as an object. All the drawings in AutoCAD are called as an object. हर एक ड्राइंग का अपना अपना नाम होने के बावजूद भी सारे ड्राइंग को हम कहते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स. Yes or no? Yes or no? So my question to you, when I say all the drawings in AutoCAD are called as an object, listen carefully, a very important question I am asking you. Even though every drawing are called as an object, then what are the 3 most important properties of any object in AutoCAD? Any answer? What are the 3 most important properties of any object? Very, very important question asked in the interview. When I say every drawing in AutoCAD is called as an object, then what are the 3 most important properties of any object in AutoCAD? Come on, go ahead. Sometimes your answer may be correct, sometimes your answer may be incorrect. Don't worry. There is no negative marks, there is no punishment for the wrong answers. You have a freedom to express yourself in these 2 hours. Thank you all the participants for your lovely participation. And those who don't know, you can type DK. DK if you don't know the answer. Now, let me reveal the right answer. Let me reveal the right answer. And the right answer is, the three most important properties are color, type, and thickness. Yes, color, type, and thickness are the three most important properties of any object in AutoCAD. Okay, color, type, and thickness are the three most important properties of any object in AutoCAD. Is that clear, everyone? Color, type, and thickness are the three most important properties of any object in AutoCAD. Let me show you these three properties. How can we apply these three properties to any object? Okay. So if you want to apply these three properties, you need a property toolbar. And where is the property toolbar? Go to the tools menu, click on the toolbars, click on AutoCAD, go down, and here you can see the properties. Let me go down, and here you can see the properties. Can you see the property toolbar? Click here on this property toolbar, and here you can see the property toolbar in front of you. Let me drag and drop on the top. Wow. Now let me select the line. Let me select the color. Can you see in this way, I can apply the first property, that is color, to any selected object. Okay. So the first property is color of the object. Now the second property is type of the object. But here you can see we don't have much more types. So if you want to load the different types, click on others and then click on the load option. Once you click on the load option, and here you can see the different types. Let me load the center type. Let me load the hidden type. So whatever type that you want, you can load it from here. Tracking, zigzag, batting, whatever you want, you can load it from here and then click on OK. Can you see? Once again, let me click here, and here you can see the different types. Let me select the center type. Let me select the color. Let me draw the circle here. Wow. Can you see I have created a circle by using the center type. Madhav Gupta. Madhav Gupta. No repetition. So please concentrate. Color. Can you see here we have a color? Okay. So select the object. You can change the color from here. Just select the object. We can change the color from here. Okay. So let me change the type once again. Let me go to here. Let me select the hidden type. Let me select the color. Let me draw one more circle here. Can you see? Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting the different types and I'm creating the line. Why we use the hidden type? Any answer? What is the reason behind using the hidden type? What is the purpose of using the hidden type in our engineering drawing? Now let me select the tracking type. This is used to specify the railway trackings. And here we have a zigzag type. It is used to specify the zigzag pathway. But why? Why we use the hidden type? Any answer? A very important role plays in our engineering drawing. A hidden type plays a very important role. Now let me select that batting type and let me draw the diagram. This is used to specify the insulation in the wall. Yes. Okay. Let me tell you the right answer. Let me reveal the right answer. Check your answer. The hidden type is used to specify the, yes, the hidden type is used to specify the hidden portion of the object. Hidden type जो है हम AutoCAD में यूज करते हैं जो ऑब्जेक्ट दिखता नहीं है. Okay, in our engineering drawing, while creating orthometric diagram from isometric, whatever the portion which is invisible, to show that portion we use the hidden type. Yes or no? Yes or no? जो पोर्शन दिखाई नहीं देता है वो पोर्शन को शो करने के लिए हम हिडन लाइंस यूज करते हैं इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग में. यस और नो? Right? So every type has their own purpose. Okay. Now let's go to the third property. The third property is thickness. Let me select the third property, thickness. Let me select the 0.5. Let me select the color and then let me draw one more diagram here. Now I'm showing you the third property and then we'll start with the project. Okay. I'm showing the third property, that is thickness, and then I will going to start the project. Okay. So let me change the color. Let me change the thickness to 1 millimeter. Let me change the color. Let me draw one more circle here. You know what I'm doing? I'm changing the thickness and as well as color each and every time, and I'm creating a circle and as well as a line. Observe carefully. I'm showing you third property, that is thickness. But in spite of that, in spite of selecting different thicknesses to the different circles and lines, I am not able to see any thickness here on the screen. What about you? Can you able to see the thickness of the circle, thickness of the line? Yes or no? Can you able to see the thickness? No. Okay. No. Is there any other answer? No. Any reason why we may not be able to see the thickness? Thickness क्यों दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है? कोई आंसर है? Any answer? Why we may not be able to see the thickness? What is the reason behind that? Okay, because of the scale. Okay. Is there any other answer why we may not be able to see the thickness? Why we may not be able to see the thickness? Come on. Those who don't know, you can type DK. DK if you don't know the answer. Okay. Now let me show you some magic in AutoCAD. Can you able to see the thickness now? क्या अभी आपको thickness दिखाई दे रहा है? Can you able to see the thickness? Can you able to see the thickness? Yes. Okay. Do you want to know how I did this? Do you want to know how I did this? ये जानना है आपको ये कैसा हुआ है? Yes. Okay. Then let me tell you. If you want to display the thickness, go to the bottom right corner, and under bottom right corner here you can see we have an option called show hide line weight. This option is used to show and as well as to hide the thickness of the object. Can you see this option? This option is used to show and as well as to hide the thickness. Click on this option to hide the thickness. Again click on the same button to display the thickness. Can you see ये button use करके हम thickness को on कर सकते हैं और thickness को off भी कर सकते हैं. Is that clear everyone? Bottom right corner. Can you see here we have a bottom right corner? This option is used to display and as well as to hide the thickness. Is that clear everyone? Yes or no? ये clear है कि ये option use करके हम thickness को on कर सकते हैं और thickness को off भी कर सकते हैं. Is that clear everyone? Yes or no? Thank you. Thank you so much. Now let's go ahead. Let me start the project. Okay. Before starting the project, I want to know how many of you have seen this option first time. How many of you have seen this type of tool first time? Just type me if you have seen this type of tool first time. Come on. Many of you. Thank you so much. That means you're getting the value for your participation. And this is just the starting of the workshop, and many more magical tools you will going to see very soon. Okay, now let me open the project straight away and let me ask you a question. This is the plan that I will going to create. Okay, so this plan is symmetric about which axis? ये जो plan दिख रहा है, ये plan कौन सा axis का symmetric है? Any answer? This plan is symmetric about which axis? Is it symmetric about X, Y or Z? Okay, different answers are coming in the chat box. And some of you don't know. Those who don't know, you can type DK. Now, let me reveal the right answer. And the right answer is, this plan is symmetric about only one axis. This plan is symmetric about only one axis. This plan is symmetric about only one axis, that is y-axis. This plan is symmetric about only one axis, that is y-axis. When I divide the plan from the middle of the staircase, the left hand portion is symmetric to the right hand portion. Okay, the left hand portion is symmetric to the right hand portion. That's why this plan is symmetric about y-axis. Is that clear everyone? This plan is symmetric about y-axis because when I divide the plan from the middle of the staircase, the left and right are symmetric. Okay, x-axis is not symmetric because here we have a kitchen, here we have a bedroom. Both the dimensions are different. Okay, so only this plan is symmetric about y-axis. And why to know whether the plan is symmetric or not? Because if the plan is symmetric, then we can create only one side. Other side we can create by using the mirror. And by doing so, we can save the time. So our intention is to save the time. Yes or no? So that's why to know whether the plan is symmetric or not is very, very important before creating a plan. Okay, thank you. Now, let me tell you, throughout the workshop, I will be considering the dimensions as millimeter. Throughout the workshop, I will be considering the dimensions are millimeter. Okay, but some of the architectures or interior designers, sometimes they use feet or inches. But in this workshop, I'm considering millimeter. Okay, all the dimensions are in millimeter. Now, let me enter from this door. When I enter from this door, I enter into the living room. And here you can see the living room dimensions. And from the living room, we can enter into the dining area. From the dining area, here you can see the kitchen. And on the right hand side, here you can see the WC and bath. And at the bottom of the kitchen, here you can see the bedroom. Can you see here we have a bedroom? Okay, the dimensions of the wall I have considered as 150 millimeter for both internal and as well as external. In our college, we may have studied wall thickness as 230 or 300. But in this workshop, I am considering 150 for both internal and as well as external for a easy and better understanding. Okay, but the dimensions may vary from project to project, but the process is same for all the projects. So first let's see how to create a plan. Then I will going to help you how we can place the furniture. So पहले हम देखेंगे plan कैसे बनाते हैं, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे furniture कैसे place करते हैं. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's see how we can create a plan. So first let's read the plan without furniture. So this is the plan without furniture. Let's see how we can create this plan. Okay, so let me draw the plan. Let me create a plan. I know you may be using polyline, construction line, multi-line. Some of you may be using rectangular command to create a plan. But today I want to help you with a very important tool, that is line. Simple and very important tool, that is line. Line is the best tool that I can use to create a plan in a very less time. No need to use polyline, multi-line, construction line, ray, etc. etc. Only just line command will save the time. Let's prove how we can use the line command today to create this plan. Okay, I want to create this plan by taking the line command and I creating a parallel lines along x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so I want to start from here. First, I want to create this vertical line. Okay, so I want to create this vertical line. So what will be the total length of this line? Any answer? What will be the total length of this line? What will be the total length of this line? Come on, go ahead. Come on, include the wall thickness. Wall thickness is 150 millimeter. Wall thickness is 150 millimeter. I want you to calculate manually because knowing the dimension is also very important. I have seen many students, they know how to draw the plan, but they don't know how to read the dimensions. So it's very important to know how to read the dimensions. The total length from top to bottom, including the wall thickness in millimeter. Yes, very near to the answer. I'm getting the answers very near and I will going to reveal the right answer very soon. I'm going to reveal the right answer very soon. You can verify yourself. The total length from here to here. The total length from here to here, including the wall thickness, is 7450. Yes, many of you have answered correctly. 7450 is the right answer. 7450 is the right answer. 150 plus 2500 plus 150 plus 4500 plus 150. So total it is 7450. 7450 is the right answer. Okay, so now let's see how we can create this plan. Okay, but before creating a plan in any AutoCAD, what is the one most important setting that we have to do? AutoCAD के अंदर कोई भी प्लान बनाने से पहले कौन सा ऐसा important setting है जो सबसे पहले करना चाहिए? Any answer? What is the one most important setting that we have to do before creating anything in AutoCAD? One most important setting. One most important setting that we have to do before creating anything in AutoCAD. Come on, go ahead. Come on. Thank you. Thank you all the participants for lovely participation. Wow. Nice participation in the chat box. Awesome. Now let me reveal the right answer. And the right answer is the one and only one most important setting. Yes, the one and only one most important setting is units. Units are very important. Even without dimensions, even without limits, even without scale, even without layers, we can create a diagram. But without units, even if you create a diagram, it's a meaningless. So you need to first set the units. Okay, units are very important. Only the one most important setting before creating any diagram in AutoCAD that you should follow, that is units. And what is the shortcut key to call the units command in AutoCAD? What is the shortcut key to call the units command? U and enter. Yes, U and enter is the shortcut key to call the units command. During the workshop, if you have any other doubts, please make a list. Please make a list. We will going to discuss by the end of the workshop. Okay. I will tell you how we can resolve your queries by the end of the workshop, but please make a list during the workshop if you have any doubts. Okay. Now, U and enter. Write down the shortcut keys. U and enter is the shortcut key to call the units command. Okay, write down the shortcut key. This is the first shortcut key that I'm teaching you today in this live workshop. So U and enter, set the units as per your requirement. Right now, I'm selecting the millimeter and then click on OK. Now I want to draw the line. So what is the shortcut key to call the line command? What is the shortcut key to call the line command? What is the shortcut key to call the line command? L enter. Yes, L enter is the shortcut key to call the line command. But what else if I want to draw a straight line? अगर मुझे straight line बनाना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? What can I do if I want to draw a straight line? Ortho on करना पड़ेगा. Yes, we need to on ortho. And what is the function key? Function key for ortho on F8. F8 is the function key. And where is ortho on? On the status bar. Can you see here? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. All the answers are correct. Many of the people are answering correctly. Can you see here we have a ortho mode. Just click here to make it on and off. And we can use the function key as F8 from the keyboard. Function key as F8 from the keyboard to make it on and off. Okay. Thank you. Now let me select everything and delete. Let me draw the line. Let me take the line command once again. Press F8 from the keyboard for a straight line. And let me type 8000 millimeter. I know it is 7450, but now I want to take it as 8000 millimeter because I want to teach you one more extra command. Done. So let's see how we can create remaining part of the diagram. Now I want to create this parallel line. So if I want to create a parallel line with a perpendicular distance, what command that I can use in AutoCAD? Any answer? Anyone knows what is the command that we can use to draw a parallel line with a perpendicular distance? Yes, thank you. Thank you for a lovely participation. Yes, answers are correct. And the right answer is offset. Yes, offset is the right answer. And what is the shortcut key that we use to call the offset command? What is the shortcut key? O enter. Yes, O enter, 150 enter, select the line, click on the right hand side. O enter. O enter is the shortcut key to call the offset command. Write it down. Okay, now again I want to create this line and I want to take the offset command to create this line, that is O enter. But what is the perpendicular distance from here to here? What is the horizontal distance? What is the perpendicular distance for this bedroom? Any answer? What is the perpendicular distance? Yes, it is 3500. 3500 from here to here. 3500. Remember always the first value represents the horizontal distance and the second value represents the vertical distance. Okay. Now let me create a living room. The distance from here to here. The distance from here to here. Okay. So what is the distance from here to here? Again, by taking the offset command, I want to create this living room. So the distance is O enter. Yes. The distance from here to here, it is 3150 and then 150 millimeter is the wall thickness. 3150 horizontal distance and 150 millimeter is the wall thickness. Let me take once again offset command to create the staircase and the dimension is already given, that is 3150. So O enter 3150 again from here to here and then 150 millimeter is the wall thickness. Okay, done. Now let me take the line command. Let me draw the line from here to here. Let me take the offset command and then 150 millimeter from here to here. Okay, so now let me complete the left hand portion. Let me take the line command and let me take the offset command and I want to create this distance from here to here. So what is the perpendicular distance from here to here? What is the perpendicular distance from here to here? O enter is the offset command. O enter and the perpendicular distance is 4500. Yes, 4500 is the right answer. And what about the kitchen? What about the kitchen? What is the distance from here to here? What is the distance from here to here? 2500. Lovely. 2500. 2500 is the distance from here to here. Always the second value represents the vertical distance. Okay. Done. Now what I want to do, I want to remove this extra portion. I want to remove this extra portion. So how can I remove this extra portion? Any answer? How can I remove this extra portion? By using the trim command. Yes, trim is the right answer. And what is the shortcut key to call the trim command? What is the shortcut key to call the trim command? TR, enter. Yes, TR, enter. Thank you. Thank you. TR, enter is the right answer. TR double enter is used in the older version of AutoCAD. If you have an AutoCAD and the version of AutoCAD is less than 2018, then you can call the trim command by using TR double enter. But if you have an AutoCAD and the version of AutoCAD is greater than 2018, then you can call the trim command by using TR enter. Is that clear? TR enter for the latest versions and TR double enter for the older version of AutoCAD. Is that clear, everyone? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know, AutoCAD is called as a drawing software. At the same time, AutoCAD is also called as a presentation software. So you have to present the diagram with full of clarity. So remove all unnecessary lines, make it very clean and very neat. You know, more than 90% of engineering drawings are printed by using AutoCAD. Yes or no? More than 90% of engineering drawings are printed by using AutoCAD in the world. Yes or no? That means you know the power of AutoCAD. You know the power of AutoCAD. A very, very important software for every engineer, architectures, and as well as interior designers. Yes. If you already know AutoCAD, that's good. But if you don't know AutoCAD, and if you are planning to learn AutoCAD from me online with a pre-recorded course, I will going to tell you how you can learn by the end of the workshop. Okay, so I will also going to tell you some of the mind-blowing offers for the people, those who participate till the end of the workshop. जो लोग लास्ट तक पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं उनके लिए एक सरप्राइज ऑफर भी है. So I will going to disclose what is the surprise offer by the end of the workshop. Okay, now let's go ahead. I want to create this kitchen. So what is the distance from here to here? What is the distance from here to here? Come on. Yes, it is 1800 from here to here. So go enter 1800, select the line, click on the right hand side, and then 150 millimeter from here to here. Now, what about the dining area? What about the dining area from here to here? What about the dining area? Go enter. The dining area is, yes, 3400 is the right answer. 3400 is the right answer, and then 150 millimeter is the wall thickness. The first most used command, line. The second most used command, offset. And the third most used command in AutoCAD is trim. The three most important, top three shortcut keys, line, L enter, offset, O enter, trim, TR enter. The top three commands that we use in AutoCAD regularly. Okay, now let's go ahead. I want to create the door. But before creating a door, I want to know from your side how many types of doors are available here. That is very important to know the number of doors, number of type of doors before creating a door for any project. कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए डोर बनाना है तो उससे पहले आपको ये जानना जरूरी है कि प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर कितने टाइप के डोर्स है. Come on, कितने टाइप के डोर्स है? How many types of doors are there? And the right answer is, let me reveal the right answer, and the right answer is, we have three types of doors. And what are the names of those three types? What are the names of those three types? Door number D, D1 and D2. Lovely participation in the chat box. Maximum all of you are answering correctly. Wow, awesome. Door number D, D1 and D2 are the three types of doors are available. Okay, so let's see how to create a door. Okay, and the size of the doors I have considered. Door number D I have considered 1000, D1 I have considered 900, and D2 I have considered 800. So 1000, 900 and 800 millimeter are the door number D, D1 and D2. Okay, so these are the assumed dimensions. Now let's go ahead. Let's see how to create a door. But before creating a door, what I need to do, I need to specify the opening. Then only I can place a door on that opening. So first one, what I need to do, I need to specify the opening. And even before that, I want to specify the hinge distance, the distance from here to here. It may be called as a supporting wall or a hinge distance. It may be 150, 120 or 100 millimeter. In this workshop, I am considering the hinge distance as 100 millimeter from here to here. So wherever we have a door, on that side of the door, let me take a supporting wall or a hinge distance of 100 millimeter. Okay, so let's see how we can create this. Just take the line command, L enter. Let me create a line of 100 millimeter and then draw the horizontal line. In the same way, here also 100 millimeter on the right hand side and then create a vertical line. 100 millimeter on the left hand side and then create a vertical line. Again 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter from here to here. Just let me take the line command, L enter, 100 millimeter and then on the left hand side. Again 100 millimeter here. So in this way, let me take the line command, 100 millimeter and then let me create a line. Okay, now let me take the offset command. Wo enter to create an offset distance for door number D, D1 and D2. So offset distance for door number D is 1000, D1 is 900 and D2 is 800 millimeter. So door number D, D1 and D2. Okay, 1000, 900 and 800 millimeter. So let's see how we can create this. Okay, so take the offset command, go enter 1000 millimeter, 1000 from here to here. And then here also we have a 1000 on the right hand side, 1000 on the left hand side, and here we have a door number D1. So door number D1 is 900 millimeter, 900 from here to here. Door number D2 is 800 millimeter, 800 from here to here. Now let me take the trim command, TR enter. Let me trim like this. Let me trim like this. Wow. Can you see? In this way, I can use the trim command to remove this extra portion. That's it. Now let's see how to create a door. Okay, in AutoCAD, we can create a door by using two methods. One, we can create a door manually, and the second, we can place the door directly from the library. So which method do you want to learn? Do you want to learn the first method or the second method? Do you want to learn how to create a door manually, or do you want to learn how to place the door directly from the library? Okay, some of you want the first method, some of you want the second method. Okay, many of you want both the methods. Okay, so let me teach you both the methods. Okay, first I will teach you how to create a door manually, then I will teach you how to place the door directly from the library. Okay, is that clear everyone? Done. पहले हम देखेंगे डोर को मैन्युअली कैसे बनाते हैं, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे डोर को डायरेक्टली लाइब्रेरी से कैसे प्लेस कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's go ahead. So first, let's see how to create a door manually. Now here you can see we have a sample door. We have a sample closed door. And let me divide this door into three parts, left, right, and the middle. So left portion, right portion, and the middle portion of the door. Okay, so let me start with the left portion first. I want to create this left frame. Okay, so simple. Let me take the line command and start from here. So take the line command, create a vertical line, horizontal line, horizontal line like this. Okay, and I want to assume this vertical distance has 100 millimeter, this horizontal distance also 100 millimeter, and the remaining all are 50, 50. Okay, let me consider all other portions are 50, 50, 50, 50. So in this way, let me create a frame, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, and vertical. Okay. Now let me take the line command. Start from here. Create a downward 100 millimeter on the downward, and then horizontal distance is also 100 millimeter, and then vertical distance is 50. This side is also 50, and then 50, and then let me connect from here to here. Now let me take the line command. Let me draw a horizontal line of 1000 millimeter, because the door number D is 1000 from here to here. 1000 from here to here. But in our project, we have a D1 and as well as D2. So now what I want to do, I want to make a multiple copies of this door. by using the copy command. So what is the shortcut key to call the copy command in AutoCAD? AutoCAD के अंदर अगर मुझे कॉपी कमांड को कॉल करना है तो शॉर्टकट की क्या है? Any answer? Yes. CO enter is the right answer. Yes, sometimes we can also call the copy command. By using CP enter. So both are correct. CO or CP. CP enter, select the object, enter, specify the base point, and then remove ortho on so that you can paste anywhere on the screen. Can you see? You can just click here for multiple copies. Go on. taking an action to create a multiple copies like this. Okay, so CO or CP both are correct. Now what I want to do, I want to delete this line and as well as this. You know why? Because the door number D1 is how much? 900, and door number D2 800. So let me create a line of 900 and 800 here. So here we have a door number D, 1000, 1000, D1 is 900 and D2 is 800 millimeter. Now I want to create the frame. I want to create this frame on the right hand side. I want to create the same frame on the right hand side. That means I want to create this frame here. So what can I do? Can I create manually, or is there any other command in AutoCAD so that I can directly place it on the right hand side? Yes, yes, the right answer is mirror. Mirror is the right answer. Thank you. Thank you for your lovely participation once again. And what is the shortcut key to call the mirror command? What is the shortcut key to call the mirror command? What is the shortcut key to call the mirror command? It is MI enter. MI enter is the shortcut key to call the mirror command. Write it down. Write it down, the shortcut key MI enter. So let me take mirror command MI enter and then select the object, specify the first point at mirror of this line, and then let me place the cursor up. Let me press ortho on and then let me click here and then enter. Again, MI enter, select this, specify the base point and then take the cursor up and then click here. Once again, MI enter, mirror everything vertically up and then enter. Wow. So in this way, I can use the mirror command to mirror the object on the right hand side. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to create the leaf of the door by taking the rectangular command. I want to create a leaf of a door by taking the rectangular command. So what is the shortcut key to call the rectangular command? What is the shortcut key to call the rectangular command? REC enter is the right answer. REC enter is the right answer. Yes, REC enter is the right answer. REC enter. Let me click here for the first corner. Let me click here for the second corner. Again, REC enter. Let me click here for the first corner and the second corner. REC enter. Let me click here for the first corner and the second corner. And then let me select the supporting lines and then let me delete reference lines. Okay. Now the three doors are there here. What I want to do, I want to open the door because all these three doors are closed. I want to open the door at 90 degree. So how can I open the door? What command that I can use to open the door at 90 degree? See, I want to open the door at 90 degree. Listen carefully. I want to open the door at 90 degree. Listen carefully. I want to open the door at 90 degree. Come on, come on. How can I open the door at 90 degree? Hello, I want to rotate the door at 90 degree. Now I think you got it. Now I think you got it. I want to open the door at 90 degree. That means I want to rotate the door at 90 degree. So what command should I use? Rotate command. Rotate command to open the door at 90 degree. And what is the shortcut key to call the rotate command? What is the shortcut key to call the rotate command? RO enter. Yes, RO enter is the shortcut key to call the rotate command. RO enter. RO enter. So RO enter, select it, specify the first point and then ortho off, and here you can see, let me type 90 from the keyboard. Again, RO enter, select this and then specify the base point and then 90 enter. Once again, RO enter, select this, specify the base point and then 90 enter. Wow, wow, can you see? Now what I want to do, I want to create the trajectory of opening of a door. So how can I create this trajectory of opening of a door? By using arc command. Yes, arc or A enter. The shortcut key to call the arc command is A enter or arc. But I love to take the command from the draw menu. Can you see here we have a draw menu? Go to the draw menu and then here you can see we have an arc. Under arc there are so many options. Out of that, the best one is start end direction. This is one of the best option to create a trajectory of opening of a door. Start, end, direction. Let me click here for the start point. Let me click here for the end point and the direction. Just let me press F8 and then let me click here. Wow. Once again, let me go to the draw, arc, start, end, direction. Let me click here for the start point, end point and the direction. Once again, let me go to the draw menu, arc, start, end direction, start point, end point, and the direction. Can you see? Now what I want to do, I want to apply the color. So let me select it. Let me apply the color, yellow color. Now here you can see we have all these three doors are open, but it is open only in one direction. But in our project, actually we have a doors in all the directions. Now what I need to do, I need to create these doors in all the directions. So I don't need to create manually. I can use the modification tools to create all the doors in other directions also. Yes or no? So first let me use the mirror command. Mi enter to mirror everything to the downward. Again mi enter to mirror everything to the left hand side. Now let me use the copy command. Co enter copy from here to here. Now can you see I have created a copy. Now let me use the rotate command. Ro enter rotate vertically up. Vertically up. Okay, now let me rotate like this. Now let me use the move command. M enter is the shortcut key. So what is the shortcut key to call the move command? M enter. M enter is the shortcut key to call the move command. Write it down. The shortcut key to call the move command is M enter. Now here we have a doors in all the directions, up, down, and as well as left and right. So let's see how we can place these doors as per the required direction and the required size. Okay, so simple. We can use the copy command now. Co enter to call the copy command. Let me copy from here to here. So here we have a door number D. So let me copy this door. So here also we have a door number D, but the orientation is different. So let me select this one. Let me use the copy command. Co enter, select the midpoint of the line as base point, and then let me copy from here to here. In the same way, other side. Let me copy this one from here to here. Okay, let me copy this one from here to here. Now, let me also create this one, door number D1, door number D1. This is door number D1, door number D1 from here to here. This is door number D1 from here to here. And here we have a door number D2 on the other side. Door number D1 and as well as door number D2. Done. Now, let me select everything and then delete. Let me select everything and delete. And what I want to do, I want to use the mirror command. So let me maximize this window. Let me maximize this window. Let me use the mirror command to mirror everything to the other side. Let me maximize this window. Let me mirror everything to the other side. Wow. Just press Ortho on and then let me click here. That's it. Now let me use the trim command. Remove this extra portion. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? Are you getting the value for your participation? Are you getting the value for your participation? Yes or no? You have given your valuable time, 2 hours you are giving. So it is my responsibility to make a worth of it. Yes or no? Thank you. Are you enjoying? By the way, I really thank you from the bottom of my heart for you being participating. Literally, your participation taking this workshop to a next level. You people are literally participating awesome. The way I have not seen this kind of participation in any other workshop. Literally, you're blowing this workshop. Thank you. Now let's go ahead to the second part of the workshop. We have already spent almost 1 hour. Now let's go to the second part of the workshop. Before moving to the second part of the workshop, I want you to sit straight. Come on. I want you to sit straight. I want you to sit straight and stretch yourself. Come on, stretch yourself. Raise your hands, stretch yourself. Move to the left and right. Come on, close your eyes, open your eyes for 5 times. Distract yourself, look around the room or from the window outside, and do have a glass of water if you want to. And check the charging and as well as internet connection. Come on, go ahead. I will going to give you 5 seconds. Come on. And sometimes the charger may be connected, but the switch may be off. So cross check the switch also. Come on. Done. So let's start the workshop now. The second part of the workshop. Are you ready for the second part of the workshop? Just type yes if you're ready for the second part of the workshop. Come on. Just type yes if you're ready for the second part of the workshop. And second part of the workshop is like a mind-blowing, magical show. So whatever we have done as of now, what we're going to see from now onwards is totally different. The real magic show you will going to see in AutoCAD now. Okay, so get ready for the magic show. Now, let me tell you, each and everyone will going to get the certificate by the end of the workshop. So everyone will get the certificate, but you will get in the live workshop only. So during the live workshop only, I will going to tell you how you can download the certificate. I will going to give you the link and I will going to tell you how to download the certificate in the live workshop only. So if you leave the workshop, then you are not eligible to get the certificate. You can use the certificate wherever you want. It's a participation certificate. Okay. You can also share in your social media directly by using the link. I will guide you how you can download the certificate by the end of the workshop. So, but I want you to be there. And those who participate till the end of the workshop, there is a surprise. There is a surprise for you people. Okay, there is a special surprise for you people. So if you want to know what is the surprise, be there till the end of the workshop. Now, let's move on to the second part of the workshop. And let me start the second part by explaining you how we can place the door directly from the library. Okay, how we can place the door directly from the library. So let's see how we can do that. So if you want to place the door directly from the library, go to the tools. Go to the tools menu, click on the palettes. Under palettes, here you can see we have an option called Design Center. Design Center. Control plus 2 or DC enter is the shortcut key to call the Design Center. In AutoCAD, there are predefined drawings are already available. You can directly use that drawings in your project so that you can save the time. Okay, let me show you once again. Where it is available, go to the tools. Under tools, go to the palettes. Under palettes, here we have a Design Center. Control plus 2 or DC enter. Okay, Control plus 3 for tool palettes, but now Control plus 2 is the Design Center. Okay, so let me click here. Once you click on the Control plus 2 or DC enter, and here you can see the different type of options: architectural, civil, electrical, mechanical, and as well as structural. I want the door. So doors falls into architectural category. So let me go to the architectural matrix, open this, and then click on the blocks. Click on this plus button, click on the blocks, and here you can see the door. Just drag and drop here. Okay, press and hold the left mouse button and then drag mouse and then release the mouse button here. Can you see? In this way, I can place the door in our project. Wow. Not only the door, you can place the toilet. Can you see? Let me drag and drop the toilet. Let me drag and drop the toilet. Can you able to see here? Not only in the plan. If you want to place outside the plan, you can place it. So simple. If you want the tree, drag and drop the tree. If you want the vehicle, drag and drop the vehicle. Can you see? So in this way, whatever you want, you can place it from here. And where this option is available, let me repeat last time. Go to the tools menu. Under tools menu, click on the palettes, and here you can see we have an option called Design Center. Okay, but now here we have a door. The door is not opened at 90°. If I want to open the door at 90°, then select the door, click on the down arrow, and then click on open at 90°. Wow. Can you see? Awesome tool. Just click here to open the door at 90° or whatever the degree that you want. And you can flip the door without using the mirror command. You can flip the door vertically downward and as well as vertically upward or the horizontally left and right. Can you see? Without using the scale command, we can increase the size of the door. We can also decrease the size of the door by using the snapping buttons. Yes, we can use the scale if you want to, but even without scale, you can drag and drop like this. And by using the mirror command, I can also make this single leaf door as a double leaf door. Can you see? Just I'm using the mirror command to mirror everything to the right hand side to convert the single leaf door into double leaf door. Lovely. Awesome, right? If you know the scale command properly, you can also convert the door as per your size. Okay, that is available in my full course if you want to know. Okay, now can you see here we have a toilet? It looked like a front view, but I want to display the top view of the toilet. How can I do that? Just select it, click on the down button, and here you can see the plan. Wow, can you see the plan here? Just by taking the select on this, click on the down button and then click on the plan. Can you see one more plan here? Let me use the move command. Let me move from here to here. Awesome. Can you see? Now, let me also show you some of the side views. Let me take the copy command. Let me also show you some of the side views. Let me make a multiple copies. Now let me select it, click on the down button, and then let me click on the side view. Select it, click on the down button, and then side view. Select it, click on the down button, and here you can see the full chain front view, and then full chain side view. Wow. Can you see the different type of options? Awesome. We can use all of these diagrams in our elevation or in section of a project. So nice. Can you see? Not only this, let me also show you the elevation of the tree. Select the tree, click on the down button, and then click on open at palm elevation. Can you see? Wow. Let me use the move command. Let me move from here to here. Now let me use the copy command. CO enter. Let me create a multiple copies. Again, CO enter. Let me create a multiple copies. Awesome. Awesome. Can you see? Now let me select it, click on the down button. Let me select it, click on the down button, and here you can see the elevation of the tree. One more elevation of the tree. Let me show you one more elevation of the tree. One more elevation of the tree. Awesome. Never seen, never before, and never after. Wow. Can you see? Lovely. Are you enjoying? Let me show you some of the vehicles. I know many of you are interested for the different vehicles. Let me also show you the different vehicles here. Yes, are you enjoying? Let me show you the different vehicles also. Can you see one more vehicle? Let me show you one more vehicle here. Awesome. Can you see the different vehicles in front of you? Let me show you the front view of the vehicle also. Front view of the vehicle also. Can you see here? Awesome. Hello, hello. How many of you have seen this type of tool first time? Just like me, if you have seen this type of tool first time. Come on, go ahead. How many of you have seen this type of tool first time? Even though you may have completed the complete course of AutoCAD, even though you may have completed the full course of AutoCAD, but still you have not seen this tool and you're seeing this tool first time in today's workshop. How many of you? Just like me, if you have seen first time. Come on, many of you have seen this type of tool first time. Wow. Even after paying the money, yes or no, even after paying the money, completing the course, still this tool is not taught to you. By the way, how much that you invested to learn AutoCAD? How much that you invested to learn AutoCAD? Any answer from your side? How much? कितने पैसे आपने भरे थे AutoCAD सीखने के लिए किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट में, कहां पे भी आप बिलोंग करते हो? How much? Okay, 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 come on. How much that you paid to learn AutoCAD at your location? Okay, different answers are coming. So let me consider approximately 3 to 5,000 rupees. 3 to 5,000 rupees, right? So even after paying 3 to 5,000 rupees to learn only AutoCAD, they didn't taught this tool. Yes or no? 3 से 5,000 के बीच में आपने पे किया होगा, उसके बावजूद भी ऐसे टूल्स आपको नहीं पढ़ाया गया, राइट? I want to make you smart, not hard worker. Many people want you to hard worker. Okay, along with that, I want to make you smart with these tools. Yes or no? These tools will really make you smart. It's like awesome, mind blowing. Yes or no? How many of you are feeling like wow, mind blowing, extraordinary, unbelievable? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you feeling mind blowing, extraordinary, awesome? Yes or no? Right? So the palettes, design center or DC enter or control plus 2. Okay. Now I want to show you some more magic in AutoCAD. I want to make it little bit more interesting. Little bit more interesting. You know, for that, I want you to take an action in the chat box. That is what you want in AutoCAD. What you want in AutoCAD, just type in the chat box. Let's see if it is possible. Okay. I'm not promising you, but let's see if it is possible. Just type what you want in AutoCAD right now. Other than this vehicle. If you want any other vehicle, or if you want aeroplane, helicopter, missile, rocket, bus, lorry, JCP machine, RMC machine, bulldozer, or particular type of tree, plant, or flower, or the human beings. You can also mention the particular type of human being, or the furniture, bed, sofa, chair, table, dining table, office furniture, computer desk, almirah, or freeze, refrigerator, AC, oven, cylinder, gas, or any other thing that you want. Just mention in the chat box. Let's see if it is possible. I will give you another 5 seconds. 5 seconds to go. 5, 4, wow, 3, 2. Mention particularly what you want in furniture. 1, 0, and time up. Time up, time up, time up, time up, time up. And please concentrate on the screen. Please concentrate on the screen. The magic will going to appear in front of you. Can you see the magic in front of you? There are so many vehicles in front of you. Can you see the different type of cars are available here? A variety of cars are available in here in front of you. Can you see? Awesome. Even the sports cars are also available here. Royal cars are also available here. Can you see? Awesome, right? Can you able to see all the different type of vehicles? Not only that, can you able to see the aeroplanes? Aeroplanes are flying from left to right. Can you see the aeroplanes are also in front of you? Variety of aeroplanes. Some aeroplanes are ready to take off. Some are flying in the sky. Some are just take off. Can you see? Wow. Awesome, nice. And here you can see the construction related vehicles. JCB machine, RMC machine, bulldozer, crane, everything is in front of you. Awesome. So if you want to use these tools in your AutoCAD, you can use it. And the good news is, I will going to give you all of these diagrams to you. I will going to give you everything to you by the end of the workshop. So before ending the workshop, all these diagrams will be with you. ये सारे diagrams आपके पास होंगे ये workshop खत्म होने से पहले, ये मेरा promise है. And that too completely free. And here you can see the lorry. Everything. Can you see? Wow, different type of buses are also available. Happy? Are you happy now? You will going to get all these diagrams so that you can use it in your project. I will give you the link to download and everything. I will going to help you how we can use these diagrams, everything. Happy? Got the value for the participation of the workshop? Can you see the missile, rocket, helicopter? Wow. Can you see the different type of some more vehicles in front of you? A variety of vehicles are available here. And here you can see the different type of trees. Variety of trees are available. I will going to give you all of these trees in your project. You can use it in your project. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much for your lovely comments in the chat box. Wow. And here you can see the plant, flower, different type of plants are available. Flowers are available. Everything you can use it in your project. Thank you. Thank you. And let me show you some trees with color with a different type of colors. So many trees, even from the top view, even from the front view, everything is available for you. And I will going to give you everything to you before completing this workshop. Okay. So please be there to know how to download and how to use these diagrams. Can you see the different type of symbols, different type of staircase, different type of everything? And here you can see the human beings are also different type of human beings are there in front of you. All these diagrams I will going to give you completely free. I think you are very lucky for being in this workshop. You will be getting all these diagrams. All these diagrams, yes or no? And the furniture, different type of north symbols, refrigerator, oven, gas, cylinder, everything is in front of you. By the way, how to use these diagrams in our project? That is very important. How to use these diagrams in our project. Anyway, I will going to give you all of these tools, all of the diagrams which are created in AutoCAD. Okay, even the bed, sofa, chair, everything, different type of beds are also available. King size, queen size, single bed, double bed, all the beds from different angle. And here you can see the sofa sets, different type of sofa sets are also available. By the way, how to use these diagrams in our project? That is very important. Do you want to teach me how to use these diagrams in our project? Do you want to know how to use these diagrams in our project? Yes or no? क्या आप ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि ये डायग्राम को हमारा प्रोजेक्ट में यूज कैसे करें? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Okay. So then you tell me, how can I copy the diagram from one file to another file? Any answer? Any answer from your side? How can I copy a diagram from one file to another file? So this is the file. In this file, I have lot of diagrams, and any one of the diagram I want to use it in our project. Any one of the diagram I want to use it in our project. So how can I copy a diagram from one file to another file? Any answer? Let us consider I have two files in front of us. One side here we have a project, and another side here we have a master file. So how can I copy? Yes, and the right answer. Let me reveal the right answer. And the right answer is Control C and Control V. Control C to copy and Control V to copy paste. So select it, Control C to copy, come to our project, and then Control V. Okay, so let us consider I want to place the bed. So you can just copy paste the bed here. Can you see? Wow. Now, if I want to increase or decrease the size of the bed, so what can I do if I want to increase or decrease the size of the bed? ये बेड का साइज को कम करना है या ज्यादा करना है, बढ़ाना है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? What command that I can use to increase or decrease the size of the bed? What command? What command? Yes, we can use the scale command. And what is the shortcut key to call the scale command? Scale command के लिए shortcut key क्या है? Yes, C enter. Yes, C enter. Select the object, specify the base point, and increase the size. Increase the size like this. Or you can use the value that is greater than 1. Greater than 1. Let me type 2, enter to make it double. Again, SC enter. If you want to decrease the size, enter the value less than 1. So let me type 0.5 and then enter. Wow. Can you see? 0.5 and then enter. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? Scale command, greater than and then less than to increase or decrease. Now let me use the mirror command. MI enter to mirror everything to the other side. MI enter to mirror everything to the other side. Now let me use the copy command. Now I can use the copy command to copy the diagram within the file. Within the file, I want to copy the diagram, so I can copy by using the copy command. I can copy paste as per the required position. So here we have a bedroom. We can copy paste from here to here. So in this way, I can copy a diagram from one file to another file. So if you want to copy a diagram from one file to another file, then it is Control C and Control V. So here we have a dining area. So let us consider I want the dining table. So let me select it, Control C to copy, come to our project, and then Control V to copy paste. Awesome. And increase the size or decrease the size by using the scale command. Okay. I hope it's very clear to you now. Now you got a confidence that you can create a diagram in a very, very less time. Yes or no? How many of you are feeling now confident that you can create a plan now? It's very easily. Yes or no? Now you can create a mesmerizing project. You can literally surprise the client by using this master file. Yes or no? And you can save almost 70% of the time. So now you can create the project in only with 30% of the time. Yes or no? So you can save almost 70% time that you are using previously. अगर इसके पहले 1 घंटा लगता था प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए, अभी शायद आपको सिर्फ 15 to 20 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. Yes or no? By the way, you may have attended a lot of workshops. You may have attended a lot of lectures on AutoCAD, but today lecture is something different. Yes or no? Are you feeling today class is something different as compared to other classes as of now you have attended? अभी तक जो भी आपने AutoCAD के लेक्चर अटेंड किया होगा, भले वो पेड AutoCAD के लेक्चर हो या फ्री AutoCAD के लेक्चर हो, बट आज का लेक्चर कुछ तो अलग है. Yes or no? Are you feeling something different today lecture? Even though you know the same tools, you know the same AutoCAD, but you're seeing the same AutoCAD in a different way. Yes or no? You know, let me tell you why you're feeling today something different. But before that, let me ask you one interesting question. How many of you agree that your mom prepares a delicious mouth-watering recipe for you? कितने लोग मानते हैं कि आपकी मम्मी आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती है? How many of you agree that your mom prepares a delicious mouth-watering recipe for you? Come on. How many of you agree that? How many of you agree that your mom prepares a delicious mouth-watering recipe for you? Almost all of you. Okay. But for some reason, but for some reason, if she may not be able to prepare a delicious recipe and she gives you all the ingredients, can you able to prepare the same delicious recipe? कुछ कारण के वजह से आपके मम्मी खाना नहीं बना पाए और बनाने के लिए जो भी लगता है वो सब कुछ आपको देंगे, तो क्या आप उतना टेस्टी खाना बना सकते हैं? Can you able to prepare the same delicious recipe? No. Okay, no, maybe. Okay, you can try. Okay, any reason why you may not be able to prepare the same delicious recipe in spite of having all the ingredients with you? Why? क्यों नहीं बना सकते हैं? Any answer? Why you may not be able to prepare the same delicious recipe? Practice. Okay, experience matters. Okay, practice, experience, knowledge. Okay. Is there any other answer? Okay, dedication. Okay, daily practice. Okay, thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much. Now let me reveal the right answer. Your answers may be correct. Hello, your answers may be correct, but today I want to make a radical statement. I want to make a radical statement today. You know what is that? Even though if you don't have any knowledge, any practice, any experience, still you can able to prepare the same delicious recipe. Only and only if you have a step-by-step instructions with you. Yes or no? If you have a step-by-step method, step-by-step process with you, you can also prepare the same delicious recipe. In spite of having lot of practice, lot of knowledge and lot of experience. Yes or no? आपको ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं है, ज्यादा नॉलेज भी नहीं है, बट आपके पास स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंस्ट्रक्शंस है. अगर आपके पास स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंस्ट्रक्शंस है तो आप भी सेम डिलीशियस रेसिपी बना सकते हो. यस और नो? So what is important? What is important is the step by step process, step by step procedure, step by step method. Yes. Hello. We have created the project today by using that step by step process. Even if you want to create a plan in AutoCAD, or if you want to create a project in AutoCAD, you need to follow the step-by-step method. If you have a step-by-step method with you, even if you don't have a lot of experience or practice or knowledge, still you can create a project in AutoCAD. So what is important is not about the tools. What is important is not about the tools. What is important is the right process. Yes or no? Yes or no? But we are busy to learn the knowledge. Hello, we are busy to learn the different tools in AutoCAD. Let me tell you, it is not required to learn every tool in AutoCAD. Not at all required. ऐसा जरूरी बिल्कुल नहीं है कि सारे टूल्स आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. No, whatever the tools that are important to your project, you need to learn only that tools. Yes or no? It is not compulsory to learn every tool in AutoCAD. What is the use of learning every tool in AutoCAD if it is not used in your project? So my suggestion is don't go with more and more tools. My suggestion is to go with the right process. You know, we have a lot of knowledge about the software tools, but in spite of that, we are not able to get the jobs in the market. Let me tell you, there is a survey. There is a survey says in India. There is a survey says in India, more than 70% of engineering graduates are not fit for the job. More than 70% of engineering graduates are not fit for the job. You know why? Not because they don't have a knowledge, but because they don't know how to use that knowledge. Yes or no? बहुत सारे कंपनीज ये कहते हैं कि 70% ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट्स को जॉब मिलने का जॉब पे लेने का काबिल ही नहीं है. इसलिए नहीं है कि उनको नॉलेज नहीं है, नॉलेज तो बहुत है, बट उनको ये नहीं पता कि वो नॉलेज को यूज कैसा करना है. We don't know how to connect the dots. We have a lot of knowledge, but we don't know where to use and how to use that knowledge. That means we are missing the process. If you don't know the process, then what is the use of learning all the tools? Yes or no? That's why there are so many jobs are available in the market, but still we feel that we don't have a job. You have to search for the jobs. But rather, jobs have to search for you. If you have a talent, if you have a right process, they will search for you. You no need to search for them. आपको जॉब ढूंढते ढूंढते घर घर जाना नहीं पड़ेगा, वो आपको ढूंढते ढूंढते आएंगे. Yes or no? If you have a talent, they will come to search on you. So I want you to get a right way to learn the software. I want you to help with the right way to learn the software. I have been training from last 13 years. Last 13 years, I have been training, and more than 80,000 students got training under me. More than 50 plus engineering colleges in India have done MOE with us for online training. We are helping the students to learn the courses online like this, like this. If you're really getting the value today, that means it is absolutely correct. You can learn by sitting at your home. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to go anywhere. You can save your traveling time. You can save your lot of money, and you can learn as per your comfortable time, because I have recorded every course on my website with the intention of helping the students, saving their time and their money. More than 50,000 students already accessing my online courses. They're getting the value, they're getting the certificates which are valid internationally. They're also getting the softwares to download and install. Do you want to know from where you can learn if you want to learn in the future? Do you want to know how you can learn? What is the price? What is the website and all of that? Do you want to know what is that website? Hello? If it is required to learn in the future, do you want to know what is that website? From where you can learn if you want to learn? Yes. Yes. Do you want to know? Let me show you with your permission. With your permission, let me display the website. Let me display the website. We have a center. We have a center with the name of AutoCAD in Mumbai. But currently, we are doing online. We're doing online training for the engineering students. Can you see we have a center with the name of AutoCAD? You can search on Google AutoCAD Center, www.aaucad center. Click on this, and here you can see we have a AutoCAD Center. We have a training center, Government of India, MSME registered organization. Let me also give you the link in the chat box. Okay, I have given you the link in the chat box. Go ahead. We have a center, and we have trained more than 80,000 students across India through my online and as well as offline training. All over India, we have traveled to help the students, and you can learn online. So if you want to learn online, you need to just click on login option. Once you click on login, you will be redirected. You will be redirected into the website called Learn Delta. This is our LMS portal, learning management portal. From here, you can learn the courses. Okay, learndelta.com. I have given you the link in the chat box, www.learndelta.com. And the process is, you need to go to the courses option, search for the courses, whatever the course that you want to enroll. And here you can see the lot of course options are available. So let us consider you want to learn the complete AutoCAD. Click on AutoCAD 2D here. And here you can see the complete course of AutoCAD. Right now, the price is 399 to learn the complete AutoCAD with lifetime access, with PDF files, and as well as ISO certified certificate. Everything is everything. So certificate cost is 500 rupees extra, and the training cost is 1,000. And you're not the first one. Already nearly we have more than approximately, we have a lot of students already enrolled for this course. Okay, you can check out, and here you can see a lot of ratings are also available, and here you can see the reviews of the students. We can see the reviews of the students, 5-star ratings for this course. Just click on the more reviews if you want to see more reviews. Okay, so the process is so simple. If you want to enroll, you can enroll from here. Click on add to cart. You can enroll for this course. The cost goes to 1,000 for training and 500 for certificate. The total cost goes to 1,500 rupees. This is the current price. 1,500 rupees. But as I told you, I will going to give you the surprise. Only the people, those who are participating complete workshop. ओके जो लोग कंप्लीट वर्कशॉप पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं उनके लिए मैं एक सरप्राइज देने वाला हूं. There is a surprise offer for the people those who are participating completely, and that is also only for 10 people. Okay, I will tell you what is that surprising offer by the end of the workshop. If you want to know the surprising offer, please be there till the end of the workshop. And the process is, you need to click on the login option. After doing the payment, you have to log in with your login credentials, which you will going to receive on your email after completion of the payment. And you need to click on my courses and then select the course on whatever the course that you have purchased. And here you can see on the left hand side there is a content. On the left hand side here you will see the course content. Yes, we also provide international recognized certificate. We also help the students to get the software from our website. Can you see here everything is explained? You can maximize the video, you can minimize the video. You will going to feel like a live happening in front of you. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि लेक्चर आपके सामने चल रहा है. And even if you have any doubts, you can write it here in the discussion area, or you can also attach the image. If you have done the practice, you can also assign your assignment. And you can also see the comments of the other students. Can you see the nice explanation? You can also comment on the video. And here you can see the comments about the video. Nice, very knowledgeable part. Can you see I am studying in KJ COCMR College in Pune, third year civil engineering. We can see how the students can see good information about AutoCAD. Thank you, sir. You can also see the reviews of the students. Okay, and in the second chapter, we have explained how to download the software completely from start to end. You can directly download the link by using this link, and please follow the steps to download. So I have explained how to download the software from start to end. Yeah, I will tell you what are the other courses, prices and everything. Okay, so you can also check out on website. So you can see, you can learn like this. I want you to learn the complete AutoCAD. Even if you know AutoCAD, still you can join this course, because what you have learned outside and what you will going to learn here is totally different. अगर आपको पूरा AutoCAD आता भी है, फिर भी आप ये कोर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो आप AutoCAD सीखेंगे वो totally अलग होगा. Okay, you will literally going to enjoy. You will going to learn lot of isometric diagrams also. How to create an isometric diagrams also you will going to learn in this complete course of AutoCAD. Literally, you will going to learn in a different way. So the way you will going to learn is something new techniques that you will going to using. Okay, and I will going to help you with a complete project of plan, elevation, section, everything you will going to learn. Everything you will going to learn from this course, everything from start to end. And here you can see how the students, they are submitting their assignments, plan, elevation and RCC details, which are very important. Chapter number 20, RCC details are very important, which are not taught in most of the institutions. बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट में ये टॉपिक ही नहीं पढ़ाते हैं, क्योंकि ये टॉपिक आता ही नहीं है. Okay, so I have a lot of experience. I worked as a structural engineer. I know exactly how you can create a foundation plan, section of a rectangular footing, and plinth beam details, floor beam details, how you can name the beam number, column number, slab number. Very important. These are the technical terminology you will going to learn in this course. Okay, how to mention the two-way slab, one-way slab, everything. And one more thing, I know many of you know how to create a plan, but how to place it in a paper, that is also very important. Like, I know many of the people, they know how to cook, but they don't know how to serve the food. So serving the food is also plays a very important role. In the same way, creating a diagram is one part, and placing the diagram on a paper, that is the second part. It's very important how to fit the diagram in a paper as per the required size. That is also I have taught in this course in a very clearly. So I hope you will going to enjoy throughout the course, that's for sure. Okay, so in this way you can complete the course, you will get an ISO certified certificate, you will get everything, and lifetime validity. Every course is pre-recorded. You can complete within 15 to 30 days. You can complete within 15 to 30 days any course, but it is up to you whether you are taking 1 year, 1 month, 2 months or 3 months. Autodesk is totally up to you. Okay, whenever you want to start, you can start. Whenever you complete, you can complete. Once you complete, within 72 hours you will going to receive the ISO certified certificate from us. Okay, so everything on this website. Check out this website whenever you have a free time. Thank you so much for being on my website. So let me give you the link one more time. Now let's go ahead to the workshop. Let me go to the workshop again. By the way, I have some special offer. I told you there is a special offer if you want to learn these courses on my website. So if you want to know what is the special offer, please be there till the end of the workshop. Now let's see what we have seen as of now. We have seen how to create a plan by using the shortcut keys, by using 5,000 drawings. Yes or no? We have seen how to create a plan by using the shortcut keys and by using 5,000 drawings. Now I want to discuss with you a PPT presentation on 4 most important steps. Are you ready for this PPT presentation? After the PPT presentation, I will going to help you how we can download the certificate of today's workshop completely free. Certificate and 5,000 drawings completely free. I will going to help you how you can download only in this live workshop. Are you ready for the PPT presentation? Just type yes if you are ready for the PPT presentation. Come on. It will take only 5 to 10 minutes. It will take only 5 to 10 minutes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let me go ahead. Let me discuss with you what are the 4 most important steps in the design process. Hello. If you want to construct the building, before constructing that building, as a backend, we need to follow the 4 most important steps. There may be many more steps, but I will going to discuss with you 4 most important steps. The first one is 2D drafting. Every project starts with 2D drafting. Yes or no? Every project starts with 2D drafting. Yes or no? And by the way, what is the software that we use for 2D drafting? Yes or no? 2D drafting. Yes, AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the software that we use for 2D drafting. Yes, AutoCAD is the software that we use for 2D drafting. Whatever you have an idea, you have to put that idea into a paper. In technical term, that is called 2D. And the topmost industry software we use for 2D drafting is AutoCAD. AutoCAD stands for Automatic Computer Aided Design, one of the most important software used by all the civil engineers and architects and interior designers and as well as draftsmen. We can create a complete project by using AutoCAD. But sometimes client want to see, yeah, we can create a front view, top view, elevation, section, everything. But client want to see sometimes the 3D model. Client want to see how the building look like with lighting, material, camera effects. For that, we need to go with the second most important step called 3D modeling. Any idea which software we use for 3D modeling? कौन सा software use करते हैं 3D modeling के लिए? Any idea? What is the software which we use for 3D modeling? Yes, we have 2 most important softwares. There are plenty of softwares in the market, but out of that, the 2 most important softwares are Revit and 3D Max. Revit Architecture and 3D Max are the top 2 softwares which we use for 3D modeling. Revit and 3D Max. Revit is a topmost software in the market because Revit is called as Building Information Modeling Software. Revit is a building information modeling software, one of the most important software for designing the building. Not only that, you will get the information. That's why Revit is called Building Information Modeling Software. Revit is called Building Information Modeling Software. We can create a building and we can get the information about the building. Okay. And one more software for 3D modeling is 3ds Max. 3ds Max. 3ds means 3D Studio Max. 3ds means 3D Studio Max. It is used specially for interior. Every room is designed by using 3ds Max, one of the best software to design every room separately. Along with V-Ray as a plugin material, we can get the realistic photographic effects by using 3D Max. So the top 2 softwares for 3D modeling, Revit and 3ds Max. Once the model is ready, if the client is okay with that model, then we go with the third most important step, that is called structural design. Structural design. Any answer? What are the softwares that we use for structural design? What are the softwares that we use for structural design? There are plenty of other softwares. Yes, but the top 2 softwares are STAAD.Pro and ETABS. STAAD.Pro and ETABS are the top 2 softwares which we use for structural analysis and design. STAAD.Pro stands for Structural Analysis and Design, widely used in the industry for designing the structures. We can define the model, apply the material, supports, loads, load combinations, and by using Indian standard IS codes, we can design the building. We can come to know the column size, concrete required and steel required. We can come to know the economical cross-section properties of structural elements. One of the best software. But if it is a tall building, multi-story building or high-rise building, then we can go with one more software called ETAB. ETAB stands for Extended Three-Dimensional. ETAB stands for Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of a Building System. One of the most important software for high-rise buildings, tall buildings, and multi-story buildings. Okay, so once the structural designing is done, then the last most important step is project management. Let me tell you, by using these project management softwares, we can calculate the total cost and total duration of the project. Hello, we can calculate the total cost and total duration of the project. Then only you can start the project. Yes or no? Without knowing the duration, without knowing the cost of the project, you cannot start the project. You first need to know how much money it will take and how much time it will take to complete the project. Yes or no? Any idea what software we use for project management? Yes, we use Primavera and MS Project. These are the top two softwares in the market which we use for project management. Primavera and MS Project. Especially MS Project we use in India, and MS Project stands for Microsoft Office Project. One of the best software for handling the project. It is used to define the activities, to provide the relationship between the activities, and to assign the resources to the activities, and to know the total duration and total cost. The software will also give you the critical path, network diagram, etc. The software will also help you with the cost variance and schedule variance. That means at any given point of time, what is the status of the project in terms of duration and in terms of money. So it will tell you whether the project is in loss or profit, delay or ahead. A very, very important software for project managers. But if you are handling multiple projects at a time, then we have one more software called Primavera. Primavera P6 is an enterprise project portfolio management software. It's an enterprise project portfolio management software. That means we can create multiple projects in a single enterprise. So Primavera is used at enterprise level. That means many projects can handle in a single enterprise. So very popular software for project management. So once you know the cost and duration, then you can start constructing on site. So before constructing any project, there are so many steps, but out of that, these are the four most important steps. 2D drafting, 3D modeling, structural design, and project management. As of now, as for the industry standards, right now, to understand 2D drafting, AutoCAD is one of the top most important software. For 3D modeling, Revit and 3D Max. For structural designing, StadPro and ETAP. For project management, MS Project and Primavera. So, if you are a civil engineer, you must learn these 7 courses. If you want to understand the 4 most important steps, you need to learn AutoCAD for 2D drafting, Revit and 3D Max for 3D modeling, StadPro and ETAP for structural design, project management, MSP and Primavera. No choice. Even if you don't have a time, if you don't have an interest, even if you don't have a money, these are the 7 most important softwares for every civil engineer, because you have chosen the field of civil engineering. Because these courses will help you to get a better job in a better company. These courses will help you to start your own consultancy, or you can work as a freelancer for various companies along with your job. I hope you got a value from this PPT presentation. Yes or no? Did you got the value from this PPT presentation? Wherever you want to learn, whenever you want to learn, please learn in this sequence. First learn AutoCAD, then learn Revit and 3D Max, then learn StadPro and ETABS, then go with MS Project and Primavera. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely participation. Now it's time for your feedback. Are you ready to give me your valuable feedback? Hello, are you ready to give me your 5-star rating for today's workshop? Are you ready to share some of your experiences, how the workshop went today, how this workshop gave you the value? Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. So let me give you the Google reviews links directly. Your review is most valuable to me. So give me your valuable review. Let me give you the link in the chat box. I have given you the Google reviews links. Please go ahead, give me your valuable review in the chat box in this link. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will give you 3 minutes. I will give you 3 minutes for the review. Take your own time. So let me also explain you how you can give you the reviews. So just click on that link which I have given you in the chat box. मैंने जो लिंक दिया है वो लिंक पे आप क्लिक करिएगा, and then it will take little time to open a Google reviews link. Go here and then click here for 5-star ratings, and then share your own experience here. You can write your name, your education, your college name, and your location, and then how was today's workshop, and then click on the post. So like I am a second year civil engineering student from this college from Hyderabad, and I have attended today's workshop led by Anjaneya Policer, and the workshop was dash dash dash. How you felt about today's workshop? Okay, go ahead and give me your valuable feedback. I will be giving you 3 minutes for the feedback. Then we'll go to the next step. The next step is I will going to tell you how you can learn if you want to learn all these 7 courses from our website with a mind-blowing offer. Then I will going to help you how you can download the participation certificate, 5,000 drawings and some of the PDF files completely free. So we will be completing this workshop by 9 o'clock. So only 20 minutes to go. Only 20 minutes to go to get the certificate of today's workshop. So go ahead, give me your valuable feedback. Come on, come on, come on. And also, please do like and follow our Facebook page. I'm giving you my Facebook page link also in the chat box. Go ahead, please do like and follow my Facebook page. We have a center with the name of AutoCAD in Mumbai, as I told you, and we are training right now for online. Only online because we want to save the time and as well as money. More than 7,000 people already following our Facebook page, and here you can see more than 446 positive reviews, and here you can see the 5-star ratings from the students. You can check out and for the trainings how the people they have given their feedback. So please do like our Facebook page, and you can also give me your valuable feedback. Come on. And if you don't have a Facebook page, you can also follow my Instagram. Let me also give you the Instagram link. You can also follow my Instagram. You see, as I told you, we have been training across India, and more than 50 plus engineering colleges are already signed up MOU with us to train online. 50 से भी ज्यादा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस के साथ हमारा MOU हो चुका है ताकि हम उनको ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड कर सके बेस्ट ट्रेनिंग टू द स्टूडेंट्स through online so that they can save their money and as well as they can save their time also. So by learning online, you can going to save your time and as well as money. You can learn anytime, and also you can revise anytime. N number of times we can revise. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you so much for your feedback. What about others? Come on, go ahead. Those who have done the feedback, let me know. Those who have done the feedback, let me know. As I told you, I have been invited, and these are the colleges they have done MOU with us. Annamacharya Institute, Guru Govind Tribal University, St. Joseph, Sri Venkateshwara, University College, Banswara, Bhopal, Ayodhya, Triple IT, Airoli, Thane, Vishakhapatnam, Mumbai, JNTU, Anantapur, Adsa, Sangli, Munger, and Jharkhand, Pondicherry, all these colleges, Kolhapur, Indore. Can you see? I have trained as of now more than 80,000 students. And today I'm here to help you to learn all the courses, all the 7 courses from my website at any time. I have recorded these courses so that I can help you to learn anytime. How many of you are really interested? If I give you a mind-blowing offer, how many of you are really interested to learn from my website? Just like me if you are interested. But this offer is not for everyone, only for 10 people. Let's see who are the 10 lucky people will going to get this special mind-blowing offer. I will tell you what is that mind-blowing offer. Many of you are interested. Okay, so let me tell you, this is the price in the market. Yes or no? This is the price in the market if you want to learn the courses. ये है मार्केट के अंदर अगर आप कोई भी कोर्सेस सीखना चाहते हैं. Yes or no? 5 to 10,000 rupees approximately. 5 से 10,000 रुपए लगते हैं कोई भी कोर्स आप नियर बाय सीखने के लिए. Yes or no? That means you're paying around 35,000 rupees minimum. So आपको 35,000 rupees इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा 7 कोर्सेस सीखने के लिए. नहीं, मैं बताऊंगा कितने. But even after paying 35,000 rupees, there are a lot of disadvantages. You have to travel along with 35,000 rupees. आपको कहीं पे जाके सीखना पड़ेगा तो आपको ट्रैवलिंग भी करना पड़ेगा. So there are traveling expenses and also the time. You are wasting your time in the traveling also. And there is a fixed schedule offline. You have to go some particular time. But here online, you can learn anytime, 24/7 as per your timing availability. And offline, expensive mode of study, 35,000 rupees is not a minimum amount. It is a maximum amount. It's a very expensive. But online, you can learn from my website with a minimum amount. Lectures once delivered cannot be repeated offline. अगर आपने एक बार लेक्चर मिस हो गया, वो पूरा लेक्चर आपको रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, एक आधा लेक्चर आपको रिपीट करेंगे. Only 1 or 2 lectures they may be able to repeat, but they cannot repeat all the lectures. But online you can repeat n number of times from my website. Limited and local trainers, but here I will going to train you along with my trainers. We have recorded these courses and we have a lot of experience. And you can learn anytime. You don't need to depend on trainers, and there is no distraction. Offline there are more distractions, but here online there is no distraction. Even the rain is going on, even the lockdown happened, even there is a Bharat Bandh, even there is a holiday, you no need to go anywhere because you're learning online. So there is no distraction online. So you can learn all the courses from my website. Every course has more than 20 to 25 chapters for lifetime validity. And also you will going to get a PDF files, interview related questions and ISO certified certificate. And you will also going to get the software to download and install. So all the 7 courses you will be learning from our website. The price for to learn all the 7 courses to get the 7 international recognized certificates is 35,000 rupees in the market. 35,000 rupees in the market, but on my website to learn all the 7 courses, 7 softwares and 7 certificates, it is only 10,500. 7,000 for 7 courses, 3,500 for 7 certificates. So total it is 10,500 rupees. But those who are joining right now, and for 10 people, I want to make a mind-blowing offer. I want to give you an opportunity, and that is only for 5 minutes. I will withdraw my special offer within 5 minutes. And, and the offer is not for everyone. That offer is for only 10 people. Let me tell you what is that offer. And the offer is not 35,000, not even 10,500 rupees, and the offer is only 1,999. How many of you really want to grab this opportunity? Text me if you want this offer. All the 7 courses, 7 internationally recognized certificates, and 7 softwares. Only 10 people if you want to do right now. If you want to do the payment, text me DL on this number. I will give you the GPay number. So you can do GPay, PhonePe, Paytm. Text me DL on this number 90044333737. WhatsApp me DL on 90044333737 so that I will give you the details of GPay, PhonePe, Paytm and you can complete the payment. Time starts now. Only 10 people are eligible. Only 10 people are eligible. Let's see who are the 10 lucky people. Once you do the payment, send me the screenshot immediately. Send me the screenshot immediately. This offer is only for 10 people. Remaining people has to pay 10,500 rupees. I will stop this offer after 10th registration. So time starts now. All the 7 courses, 7 softwares and 7 certificates. Everything is included. Everything is included. 90044333737. Let's see who are the 10 lucky people. I will going to give you the access to all the courses immediately. All the 7 courses and 7 certificates. Only at a cost of 1,999. Let's see who are the 10 lucky people. Time starts now. You want the GPay number here? So let me give you the GPay number here in the chat box also. So pay 1,999 on this GPay number. And after the payment, send me the screenshot with your full name, email ID and contact number. I will add the courses immediately and I will give you access to all the 7 courses. Thank you so much. We have received your screenshot. Yes, every course is lifetime validity. All the courses are lifetime validity. All the courses are lifetime validity. Now only 1 minute to go for this offer, and then let me close the offer. I am going to withdraw my offer in another 1 minute. Now the people, those who want to enroll for all the 7 courses with 7 international recognized certificates and 7 softwares, you have an opportunity. Only 1 minute to go. Let me show you the GPay number on the screen. Let me show you the GPay number on the screen. If you want to do the GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, you can also do on this number. Can you see on the screen? I have displayed the number also. Come on. So let me clear some of the doubts before joining the course. Meanwhile, those who are doing the payments, go ahead and complete the payment. And let me clear some of the doubts, and that are: the first doubt you may be having, can I learn as per my time availability? And the answer is yes. You can learn as per your comfortable time. Whenever you want to start the course, you can start the course, and whenever you want to complete the course, you can complete the course. It's totally depending upon you. And the second question may be, can I revise the course even after completion? Yes, you can revise the course even after completion. How many times you want, that's up to you. Even after 1 year, even after 2 years, let us consider if you forgot the course, again you want to log into the website. Yes, you can log in. Absolutely free. Is there any specific time to complete the course? No, it's completely your choice whenever you want to complete. You can complete even within 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even after 1 year. It's totally up to you when you want to complete the course. And the fourth question may be, is downloading the software is explained in the course? Yes. In the second chapter of every course, I have explained how you can download and install the software. So you can check out the second chapter of every course. There I have provided the link and as well as explained how you can download it. And the fifth question you may be having, can I get the PDF files of assignments for practice? Yes, you will. For all the 7 courses inside the course, you will get PDF files inside the course of all the 7 and wherever it is necessary for practice. And the second question you may be having, can I get the certificate after completion of the course? Yes, you will get within 3 working days after completion of the course. And the certificate is valid internationally. You will going to get the certificate that is valid internationally. Let me show you the sample certificate, how the certificate look like. So this is the ISO certified certificate. You will going to get this type of certificate on your email. So it's a digital certificate. It's a e-copy that you will be getting. If you want, you can take a printout on that. So in this way, you will get 7 ISO certified certificate. You can verify the certificate on our website for verification. And the 7th question you may be having, can I access the courses in my mobile? Yes. If you want to access the courses in your mobile, you can access by using the application. We have Android application. At the end of the workshop, I will going to give you the application link also. You will get that application on your mobile and you can download and install that application and start learning. You can also download the course in the application so that if you're traveling, if you don't have an internet connection, still you can learn from that downloaded videos. And 8th question you may be having, can I clear my doubts in the course of, if you have any doubts during the video, how can you clear the doubts? Yes, below the video there is a chat box. You can type your doubts. You will going to get a reply for that doubts within 24 hours. And 9th question, can I test my interview skills with interview quiz questions? Yes, in each and every course we have provided some of the very important interview related question and answers. You can go through that question and answers in the quiz format. And the 10th one, I am learning with industry experts. No doubt you're learning from me and as well as my team, and we are all having more than 12 years of experience in the industry. So absolutely you're learning from the industry experts. So these are some of the questions I have answered. So go ahead, complete the payment. Now I will going to tell you how to download the certificate. So I will give you another few seconds to complete the payment. and send me the screenshot after completion of the payments immediately on 90044333737. Come on, go ahead. Now I will going to explain you how you can download the certificate of today's workshop. Get ready for the certificate of today's workshop. Get ready for the certificate of today's workshop. All the participants, I will going to tell you how you can download the certificate of today's workshop. So those who are completing the payment, I will going to give you access to all these 7 courses right now after downloading the certificate. पहले हम देखते हैं certificate कैसे download करते हैं. Then I will going to tell you how you can access all the 7 courses. Okay. You want the GPay number? Okay. So let me give you the GPay number here in the chat box. I have given you the GPay number. Please check out in the chat box, and then after that you can click on, you can type your full name, email ID and contact number. Done. Now are you ready for the certificate of today's workshop? Just type yes if you are ready for the certificate of today's workshop. Are you ready for the certificate of today's workshop? Hello, certificate चाहिए कि नहीं आज का? Free certificate. Yes. Wow, many of you are ready for that. Okay, so let me tell you how to download the certificate. But before that, first let me give you the certificate link. First, let me give you the certificate link. Then I will tell you how to download the certificate. So there will be a process to get the certificate. Okay. So please concentrate on the screen. I will going to tell you, I will going to give you the certificate link first. Okay. So how to get the link? That is an important. If you want to get the link, text me CL on this number right now. Just WhatsApp me CL. WhatsApp me CL. On 90044333737. WhatsApp me CL. Okay, don't text me message. You have to WhatsApp me on this number 90044333737. Just WhatsApp me CL on this number, so that I will give you the link, and on that link you have to type your full name so that you will get the certificate on that name. So first get the link and then I will explain you the process to download the certificate. Come on, go ahead. Just text me CL. Time starts now. I will give you 10 seconds. 10 seconds to get the certificate link. So just text me CL. How many of you got the certificate link? Just type me if you have received the certificate link. Just type me if you have received the certificate link now, so that I can explain you the process to download the certificate. अगर आपको सर्टिफिकेट का लिंक मिल गया है तो मैं आपको प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन करूं कि सर्टिफिकेट कैसे डाउनलोड करते हैं. Okay, so almost all of you have received the certificate link, right? So let me tell you the process to download the certificate. And here you can see on the screen. You can see on the screen, I will be explaining you process how to download the certificate. You have to open the link which we have given to you. हमने जो आपको लिंक दिया है, you have to open the link. Okay, you're not able to see the screen. Let me share the screen. Let me share the screen once again. Yeah, you have to sign up by using that link if you want to get the certificate. Why to sign up? Because you have to provide your name. You have to type your full name. You have to type your full name, the name that you want on your certificate. So whatever the name that you type here on sign up button, the same name will be printed on your certificate. And once you enter the name, you cannot change the name. So write a proper name, because once you enter the name, you cannot change the name. Type your proper email ID and then create your own password. Okay, you can use this password to access the 7 courses or to access some free videos, 5,000 drawings and everything. So you have to log into the website to download 5,000 drawings. So while login, you have to use your email ID and you have to use the password. So create your own password that you can remember easily. Password should contain capital, small and numbers, no symbols. type your mobile number, that is a WhatsApp number, select it and then click on create a new account. I have already created, so let me click on login to existing account and then login. And click on continue option. Once you click on continue, on the left hand side here we'll see the certificate. Click on this certificate option and then click here to download the certificate. यहाँ पे click करके आप certificate download कर सकते हैं. Okay, let me explain you one more time. मैं एक बार फिर से explain करता हूँ कि certificate कैसे download करें. So please concentrate. So to download the certificate, you have to open the link which we have given to you. Type your full name, email ID, create your own password, type your mobile number, click on signing up, and then click on create a new account. I have already created, so let me click on login and then click on continue here. Just click on continue and on the left hand side here you will see the certificate. Can you see? Just click on this certificate option to download the certificate here. Done. And above the certificate, here you can see 5,000 drawings. 5,000 drawings above the certificate. Can you see? Download 5,000 CAD drawings. Download 5,000 CAD drawings above the certificate. Click here and then click here to download 5,000 drawings. Now tell me, how many of you have downloaded the certificate successfully? Just type I got it. If you have received the certificate, just type I got it. Come on. Just type I got it. Wow, so simple. Let me explain you one more time. मैं एक बार फिर से बताता हूँ कि सर्टिफिकेट कैसे डाउनलोड करना है. This is the last time that I will going to explain you how to download the certificate. Okay, so let me open the link. Let me open the link and then let me type the full name, the name that I want on your certificate, email ID, create a password, type your mobile number, select this, click on create a new account. If your account is already exist, then click on log into existing account and type your account, like whatever the email ID that you have used previously and the password. If you don't know the password, you can click on forget password. You will get a reset link on your email ID. From there, you can change the password, come to here again and then log in. Once you log in, click on the continue option. And then on the left hand side, here you can see the certificate. Thank you. Thank you for downloading. Can you see the certificate? Click on the certificate and then click here to download the certificate. यहाँ पे click करके आप certificate download कर सकते हैं. And then above the certificate, here you will see 5,000 drawings. Click on this 5,000 drawings to download 5,000 CAD drawings. Can you see यहाँ से? वाह, यहाँ से आप 5,000 drawings भी download कर सकते हो. But if you want to open this file, you need AutoCAD software. If you have a AutoCAD software, then only you can open this AutoCAD file. Otherwise not. And here I have given some PDF files also. You can download the PDF files from here and you can watch some videos from here. So check out. So the certificate from here, 5,000 drawings from here, PDF files, and here we have chapters. I hope it's clear to everyone. So by using this option, you can download the certificate and PDF files and everything. Done. Now it's time for the people, those who have done the payment. अभी सेशन उनके लिए है जो लोगों ने पेमेंट किया है. Now let me explain you how to access all the courses. And there is one more good news for you people. I will tell you what is that good news. The people, those who have enrolled. Okay. Now, so those who have enrolled, let me add the courses. Now, those who have done the payment, click on back to courses after downloading the certificate from here. Okay, जिनको certificate download नहीं हो रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर सकते हैं. हमारा टीम आपको हेल्प करेंगे. Okay, now let me help you how to access the courses. So click on back to the courses. Just click on back to the courses and click on my courses option. Once you click on back to the courses, go to here, click on my courses option. Then here you will see the 7 courses package. You will see the 7 courses package here. दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? Click on this 7 courses package. This is only visible the people those who have paid 2,000 rupees now. जो लोगों ने 2,000 रुपए पेमेंट किया है उनके लिए ही ये पैकेज दिखाई देगा. Then click on that, and here you can see all the 7 courses that are involved, all the top 7 courses that are involved in that package. That is AutoCAD 2D, Revit, 3D Max, ETABS, STAAD Pro, Primavera, and MS Project. All these courses are eligible, all the 7 courses. And how to start? Click here, just click here, and then here you can see on the left hand side, here you will see the content. Approximately 20 to 25 chapters are there in each and every course. Click here and start the elevation of, okay, and then click here and then start learning. Every chapter is explained in detail. Go one by one. Okay, so from here you can download the software and you can see how the people they have written the comments. Can you see? Thank you, sir. I have successfully installed the software. Can you see here? Raushan Kumar written the comment. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Can you see Chandra Reddy? Can you see Bhaskara Chandra Reddy written? I have successfully installed AutoCAD 2024. Can you see? Installing completed, sir. Kalyani written, yes, sir, successfully installed AutoCAD 2021. Can you see? I am installed successfully AutoCAD 2023. Can you see installation successfully? They have also attached the screenshots. Okay, so you can learn like this one by one. Launching the software, installing the software, can you see? Clearly explained, nice class. Your explanation was very clear, sir. Can you see? यहाँ पे आप स्टूडेंट का फीडबैक देख सकते हैं. Can you see? Can you see how the people they are writing their comments? Can you see? Like this, you can go chapter by chapter. हर एक चैप्टर आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, सबमिट कर सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, एवरीथिंग. Can you see? Wow. In this way, you can practice and submit. Everything you will be learning how to create an isometric diagrams also. Isometric के diagrams भी कैसे बनाते हैं वो भी यहाँ पे हमने explain किया है. Can you see? यहाँ से आप isometric diagrams download भी कर सकते हैं और practice करके submit भी कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. Can you see? Wow. इस तरीके से. And that plan. Complete plan, how to create a complete plan. I have explained here. Can see doors, windows, everything in detail. And this is done by my students. Then after creating a plan, you will be understanding how to create elevation. Elevation कैसे बनाना है वो आप सीखेंगे. Then you will going to learn how to create a section of a building. How to create a section that you will going to learn. Then you will going to learn the RCC details. Foundation plan, and then plinth beam details, first floor and second floor details. Can you see this is submitted by students? Everything. Then you will going to learn how to place it in a paper, how to take a printout, how to place it in a paper, everything. Done. Thank you so much all the participants for your participation. And you can also download Android application. You can also download Android application and then install in your laptop or PC so that you can access the courses by using Android application also. आप Android application use करके भी पढ़ सकते हैं. I have given you the Android application link in the chat box. Done. Now let me close the workshop. Thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all the participants for your lovely participation. And if any of your friends are there, you can also tell your friends to enroll for these courses. So they will also going to get the benefit of all the 7 certificates. अगर आपका कोई friends है, आप अपने friends को भी help कर सकते हैं या 7 courses के लिए. Okay, some of the people are saying, sir, I want to pay in another half an hour because I don't have a money. It's okay. So I really want to help you people. So if you want to enroll, I'm giving you another half an hour. और आधा घंटा का समय देता हूँ. So after doing the payment, send me the screenshot on the same number. my team will help you. They will give you access to all the 7 courses if you're paying before 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 बजे से पहले अगर आप पेमेंट करेंगे तो आपको भी ये ऑफर एलिजिबल है और आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी ये ऑफर एलिजिबल है. सो अगर आप चाहते हैं कोई किसी को आपको हेल्प करना, सो प्लीज हेल्प देम विद दिस प्रोसेस. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.